Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to mass delete old emails in Gmail. So guys, make sure that you do this on desktop as we have much more settings here and customizations. So instead of scrolling through your inbox manually, we are going to use a special search command to find the exact clutter we want to target. So guys, you should just use something called filters that we can use right inside our search bar right over here inside of the Gmail. So you don't necessarily have to be anywhere in your inbox, as we are going to be resetting the usual filters anyway. We're just going to stay at send. In here, just click. And now guys, the command here is as follows. You just type in older, then you go underscore, then 2 dots like this, and then for example say 1 year. All right, and then you press enter. And then you'll be taken to your usual inbox, right, with all of the messages from that particular time, right? So in my case, it's just going to be 1 year old emails. So in here, as you can see, you can just go ahead and search. As you can see, all of these emails have the same year, somewhat, as you can see. So 1 year ago precisely. You can see it's 16th of July in my example, right? Up to 17th of 2025. Also guys, if you look right below the search bar, there's a tiny master checkbox, which is right this one, okay? This is to select all of the emails that you can see in the search here. And if you want to go ahead and delete them, you can just go ahead and press on this trash can icon here, like this, and all of these that you've selected will be moved into your trash can, right to your bin, and then you can just go ahead and delete them all. So that is it. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.